Blackstone Brewing Company's brewing and bottling facility. We're going to start out with a little bit of a quick tour here. Start out with the case erector. Takes the boxes, you see they come in flat. It erects them, puts glue on them, drops them down onto the conveyor. Sends them up the line to match up with the 6-packs. Erect the 6-pack carriers. See again, they come in flat. This machine is the 6-pack stuffer. As you can see, it inserts 6-packs into the cases. And they wind around and eventually meet up with the beer that you can see there on top. Now we'll go up to the front where the empty bottles get pushed onto an accumulation table. You can see it inverts the bottles, squirts sanitizing solution, lets it drain, and the empty bottles come out the other side clean and sanitary. This is the beer filler. It's a double pre-evacuation filler. Today, as you can see, we are running at 100 bottles per minute. By double pre-evacuation means that it puts a vacuum on the bottle, fills with CO2, puts another vacuum on the bottle, fills again with CO2, then fills the bottle with beer. See the empty bottles going in one side, and they come out the other side with beer in them. This is the crowner, puts the crown on the bottles, and then it exits this side. You can see it squirts water, rinses off the bottles so they're nice and clean. Air knife blows air on the bottles, knocks the excess water off in preparation to go through the label machine. We see the bottles entering the label machine. The labels being applied to the pallet. Labels being applied to the bottle. Now we see the back label station. Again, it picks up the labels, places them on the back of the bottle. Come around to our quality control check. Dave Miller is instead of brewing today. He's our quality control engineer along with Bill Moss. Bottles continue across. Wind up at the drop packer. The cases that you saw earlier, they're empty. Each machine drops the bottles into the cases. Then they wind around through the tape sealer, squirts glue on the top, pushes the flaps down, continue on around to this machine that's called a palletizer. You can see the boxes come through, they get turned in the appropriate direction depending on how the pattern is. This particular portion of the layer, all of them get turned this direction, so you'll see them coming through here. Now you see that row is completed, and we'll lift it up. Also this layer is completed and the pallet is completed. Automatically moves the pallet out. You're waiting forklift. Put it on the stretch wrapper. Now the final pallet's been stretch wrapped, ready to go off to the cooler. And here we are in the cooler. The distributor will be by next week to pick up the beer that we've bottled today. It'll be on your store shelf soon. Thanks for watching.